Welcome to the How to Annotate video tutorial. Annotate, a fancy word for to take note. There are several ways that we can annotate. However, we're going to follow these steps to begin the annotation process. Step 1, upload or create an annotation key. Your teacher should have issued you this actual annotation key. Yours probably hasn't been colorized yet, and that's fine. Okay. An annotation key is an actual key that contains a list of symbols associated with various meanings that we can apply to our annotations as we are reading and examining a particular text. That brings us back to step number 2, which is to actually colorize the symbols associated with your annotation key. If you have this on an actual tangible document, one that you can touch, you want to ensure that you have either different highlighters or colored pencils so you can be able to colorize the different symbols. If you are online, what you can do is you can actually upload the Cami extension, and you should be able to navigate via this toolbar and use the markup icon to highlight each symbol a particular color noted here. So I'm going to stop and allow your teacher to pause this video so you all can do so. Welcome back. Moving forward to step 3. Access a text that you desire to annotate. Today, I'm going to model with Michelle Obama's memoir titled Becoming. You can also annotate via Google Docs. However, I'm going to go ahead and continue on with Cami, being that Cami has a multitude of different tools that we can use to help us better annotate our actual text. All right. So, as you read throughout the text, highlight selective parts of the text in accordance to the annotation key. So what do we mean by selective? That means that you should not be highlighting everything. You only want to highlight whatever comes to mind in terms of what you want to take note of, whether it's a question or an unfamiliar word or whatever else is noted via the annotation key. Okay, so you'll notice here that I've already went ahead and begun the annotation process. You're going to notice that step 5 has also been included within this model, that we're going to note our annotations as neatly as possible in the margin. Okay. So as I'm reading through the text, I am highlighting my annotations of particular words, phrases, or sentences in accordance to the colorization on my annotation key. For example, aspirations. That is a word that stuck out to me. So I went ahead and I was able to actually click on the word. Well, first click on this dictionary icon and then click on the word, and it will actually tell me what the definition of the word is. Then I was actually able to copy this and then hit the comment box here as noted, and then actually jot down my annotation of what the actual definition of the word is, and to cite that I received this information from Cami Dictionary. Whenever I come across an unfamiliar word or a word that may be deemed as confusing, I'll use the color orange, as you will notice. Okay, so I also come back and I highlight the word using the markup icon. I prefer the box highlighter because it makes it a lot easier to navigate. Notice as I'm annotating that the colors that are associated on my actual document are equivalent to the ones on my key. Okay. So as you continue on, you'll notice that this is the margin pretty much on Cami. However, if you're writing on the actual document, the margin would be here, okay, to the right of the paper, okay, or to the left, maybe even. You may even have to write in between. That's why I highly recommend that you actually use a technological platform such as Cami or Google Docs. Okay. Once you're finished, you'll go ahead and submit your annotations to your teacher to their liking. I'm just going to go ahead and model how this can be done via Google Docs, and then we will depart. So again, we have aspirations. Okay. I can highlight the word, highlight color orange. I can click the comment box. And then I could either look up the word, of course, if I was not using a Cami document, via Google, find a different source, I should say, whatever search engine you want to use, or Britannica Encyclopedia, add a comment, and then you're done. All right. Well, I hope that this was helpful. Your teacher may allow for you to do this independently, or you may be expected to do it in a group. Either way, you all will be able to do it. Thank you. Have a great day.